Hello, and welcome back to Love Advice TV. This is our baby. Coach Natalie and myself, we love this YouTube channel because it is our way to communicate with you and to provide you with tips and support, even though we may not know you. I can't tell you how many times people book a coaching session with me and tell me, Coach Adrian, you don't know who I am, but I've watched all of your videos and I feel like I know you. And after a 1 hour session, I know you too. And before I even start to interact with these individuals that put their trust in me, I can tell you that I already love you. I already love you for the work that you're putting in, for the mindset, and because you're fighting for love. And that's a beautiful thing. Another necessity, something that you need to think about as you are crafting this roadmap and this plan, this brainstorming session that needs to happen before you figure out a way to win back the heart of the person that you love. Something that needs to be thought about is, how will you ensure that you stay disciplined? Self-discipline is a necessity in the process of getting back with the one you love. I have helped people who did not have self-discipline get back with their ex, but quite frankly, it was out of luck. I didn't play a big part in helping them get back together. Because if you don't have this self-discipline, you are going to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes, and then it becomes just a pure coincidence that this person that you're with just comes running back. How can you execute a plan if you don't have self-discipline? How can you become this person that you want to be if you're not disciplined? And so you need check marks, benchmarks, goals. You need to make sure that you stay accountable to yourself. I encourage you to document this journey. It's going to help you in so many ways, whether it's old school, a journal, or on a computer where you do daily entries. Even if it's 1 or 2 sentences, it will help you tremendously. Number one, it will enable you to empty your emotional bucket. And there's a soothing process that takes place when you're able to communicate what you feel inside. And at the same time, you can stay accountable. You'll watch my video, you'll feel so pumped, you'll think, I can do this. And you're gonna think about, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. You make the mistake of not writing this down. And then you wake up 3 days later feeling like, this ain't gonna happen. I'm in a rut. I saw this post on Facebook. I saw that he or she is talking with their ex, or that he's flirting with someone else. And then you forget your process. You forget your mission, your journey. And you are seeing this process through the eyes of the one you love, who is desperately trying to get away from you. And so, of course, it becomes insurmountable because you did not put the right ingredients in place to make sure that you have that self-discipline that is necessary to see this breakup process through. So ask yourself, not only what is the goal that you're setting out to achieve, but when are you going to be working on this goal? How are you going to make sure that you make it happen? And when you determine what, when, and how, you can stay accountable to yourself. And that enables you to bring this notion of self-discipline that might seem abstract into something that is very tangible. Of course, you have to be honest with yourself, right, in this process too. But the people that succeed, the people that reach out to us and succeed, are people that are self-disciplined. They understand what they're trying to achieve, and they put themselves in a position to get there. So, how are you going to make sure that you stay self-disciplined? Perhaps you have tips that you can share with other people who are also alongside you at the moment, trying to figure things out and trying to figure out how they're going to inspire the person that they love. So if you have tips for the community, put it in the comment section below. Don't just talk about your struggles. Talk about the solutions. Talk about your tools. Help each other out. It can only be beneficial. When people start to exchange ideas, magic happens. And so I encourage you to share your thoughts, your goals, and your approach and method with other people around the world that you may not even know. And you'll make friends along the way. So this is Coach Adrian giving you some love and helping you to stay disciplined in this process of getting back with the one you love. As always, I wish you all the best. Keep fighting the good fight, and I hope to be able to see you soon or to talk to you via phone or email in the coming days. All the very best.